Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
3. PS4 cannot connect to EA server. Try restoring the game licenses in your PS4 settings, and doing a hard reset on your console. Select Settings, Account Management, Restore Licenses, then fully turn off your console for 30 seconds or so, and turn it back on.
Let's help you make your mark.
3. Madden 21 won't connect to EA servers. I'd like you to power cycle your equipment with the following steps. Unplug your modem, router and console. After 2 minutes, plug in the modem and router. Let them come back online completely. Then plug in your console and start it up.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to restore PlayStation Store licenses. Go to Settings, Users and Accounts, Other, Restore Licenses. Select Restore and wait until the operation has been completed. Then try accessing your content again.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.